Oppa! Spicy and filling, you'll love the recipes in Lourdas, a Greek family cookbook. Author Marina Kamilatos is the award-winning chef and owner of Lourdas Greek Taverna in Bryn Mawr, a suburb of Philadelphia. She's included plenty of mouth-watering recipes in her cookbook that everyone in your family will enjoy. Try the stuffed peppers of YemistesPipieriestsiYiayias, the Greek soul food dish of pasta and beef called Fassoulatha, or the Fassoulatha white bean soup. The author has included her best of the best family and restaurant recipes and has added inspiring family stories as well as her fascinating trips to Greece. From the chef's specialty dishes and cooking techniques to her father's recipes from Kefalonia, Greece, and her mother's recipes from her Macedonian heritage, most of the recipes are quick and easy to make. From her family to yours, Lourdas, a Greek family cookbook, contains the chef's best of the best dishes that are sure to add some spice to your life. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Greek food as you've never tasted it before. Available at Amazon.com and other online retailers, as well as directly from the publisher.